Ooh, yummy. Look at those strawberries. Oh, they look so good. I just added 1 can of strawberry pie filling right into my baking dish. Now I'm coming in with some angel food cake mix, and I'm just gonna pour that all around the strawberries. Oh my goodness, look at that. We are already looking so colorful, smelling so good, and this is off to an easy peasy start. Of course, we can't forget to add a little bit of inspiration, so let's just go ahead and sprinkle that right in there. Oh my gosh, that looks fantastic. Now you're just gonna start to quickly and easily mix together all of that strawberry pie filling along with the angel food cake. So go ahead and start mixing it all together. You might start to see the angel food cake start to kind of fluff up and start to rise, and that's exactly what you want. Wow, you guys, look at what a transformation that was. So once you have everything mixed together, so you can tell that the angel food cake, it just starts to rise. It's like science. Why does that happen? Does anybody know? Can you please tell me, because it amazes me every time. Okay, you can tell here that I am just smoothing out the top of this mixture, and it smells absolutely delicious. The strawberry is definitely the way to go, not to mention they are going to be a perfect Valentine's treat. So once that is all smoothed out, you have an even layer over the top. All you need to do now is stick it in the oven at 325, and we're gonna cook it for 40 minutes. Then we have a couple of other exciting things to do, so stick around and see how it turns out. Oh yes, look at that. Can you believe that? 2 ingredients, and check it out. All right, you guys, in the Valentine's Day spirit, look at this. I took myself back to grade school and made a heart out of a little bit of paper. Now I'm gonna take my shifter, and here I have a little bit of powdered sugar, and I'm gonna pour that right into it. Okay, and now I'm just gonna work my way all around this. Oh, look at that. This is going to be such a cute idea, you guys. A little Valentine's Day treat. That's what I'm talking about right here. Easy peasy, won't break the bank. Not too sweet, which I love about this treat. And it's going to be so cute. So we just want to make sure, especially, that around the heart, we get a lot of powdered sugar. Okay, so around the heart, we want a lot of powdered sugar, which is gonna outline that heart, which I cannot wait to show you guys that. Okay, that's perfect. I'm excited. Let's reveal the heart. I'm just gonna gently take that off. Look at that! Oh my gosh, you guys, and we're not even done yet. Okay, look at this. I had to give this a try. I found this pink edible dust, and what I was thinking was I'm gonna just dust right inside. Look at that, heart is shimmery, shining. Hello? Tell me that is not the coolest. You guys see those sparkles? Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness! Okay, you guys, check that out. I don't even want to cut into it because it's so beautiful. Ah! Okay, I'm really excited about the sparkle stuff. Can you tell? I'm just gonna come in with my knife here, and I just wanna do a little corner piece because you know what? I do not wanna ruin my heart yet. I'm gonna have to wait till my kids get home so I can show them the heart. Okay, these little strawberry bars are so good. Let's go ahead and take that out. Wow, that is so fluffy. Ooh, it looks so moist. It really grew, didn't it? I'm just gonna take a huge bite. These are amazing. Wow, you guys. You know what my favorite part is? I love when the top gets a little bit crispy like that. It's so good. I love all the little random sparkles floating around that I can see right now too. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoy this Valentine's Day treat. Maybe you've had that edible dust before. I don't know, it's my first time, but look at that heart once again. It is so beautiful, you guys. I love this easy idea. Let me know what you think, and I hope you give it a try.